Hey guys, I have the GPX 6000. We've just been working this area here. We put a couple of little crosses on the ground for some signals. I've just pulled a piece out here, another one over here. So I'm thinking I got a decent signal here and one over there. So we thought we'd get the detector out and see what we can find and play the game. Is it junk or is it gold? Over here is my little mark. There's a strong signal. What we have done, normally I'd probably just think that's junk. So we swept the area with our magnetic sweeper over here that you can see in the background. So that sort of gives me confidence that there's less junk here. If you want to see a video on how that works, there'll be a card up here somewhere that you can click. So let's have a look, see what we got. Hopefully it's not on the top. If it's on the top, that's gonna suck. Because then it's most definitely probably rubbish. So look, whoop, good sign. So I just try and sweep this the other way. Again, there is a lot of rubbish around here, and that's why we've got the sweeper. I just don't want to take too much off the top. Nope. Okay. Oh, different color ground, that's good. More of that red dirt. Nope. Oh, getting really noisy now. That's about there. Screw that. Let's have a look. Alright, looks like we got it. See what we got. Okay. Oh, first handful, sick one. Yeah, that looks pretty good. We have gold nugget. Yeah, check it out. It's not a bad size one. See there compared to my finger. So I mean, normally I would have walked straight past that in this area just because there's so much rubbish here. Again, that's why the magnetic sweeper is really cool. Just gives you a bit more faith. You know, like literally would have walked across that. Sounded like a piece of tin. Turns out it was a gold nugget. Alright guys, so if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe. We'll have heaps more cool videos coming up to you soon. And look forward to seeing you in the next one.